Hello friends, before we learn together, let me introduce myself. I am Febi Indrasmana and I am a student of Universitas Negeri Semarang, majoring in Informatic and Computer Engineering Education. In this time, we will learn about static routing, starting from the definition to how to apply it. Without further ado, let's go straight to the material. The first is what is static routing? Static routing is a method of managing network traffic paths in which the network administrator manually configures certain routes in the routing table of a router or other network device. The next is advantage of static routing. There are several benefits of static routing, including the first is easy to configure on small network. Second is does not require a lot of resource. The third is better for security. The fourth is more accurate path prediction. And the last one is does not generate overheat. The next material is disadvantage of static routing. There are several disadvantages of static routing, including the first is does not automatically adjust to topology change. The second is less efficient on large network. The third is no automatic redundancy. The fourth is limited scalability. And the last one is requires time and knowledge to configure. The next is static routing practice. We will use Cisco Packet Tracer software. Then what is Cisco Packet Tracer? Cisco Packet Tracer is a network simulation software developed by Cisco System. This tool is used to simulate computer networks and allow users to design, configure, and visualize network topologies without having to use actual network hardware. Next is Cisco usability. What can we do with Cisco Packet Tracer? There are several views, including network simulation, learning and practice, repairing and testing network configuration, multi-platform, and the last one is network protocol simulation. You need to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer first to be able to follow the practice. After knowing the definition, advantage, disadvantage, and tool use for practice, let's practice and go to Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's go. Now we are in the Cisco Packet Tracer software. To create a network with static routing, here I use for PC or laptops, 2 switch and 2 router. This is just an example, right? You can use other component as you wish. Okay, the first step is take the component needing. Two router 1 and router 2, two switch 1 and switch 2, and for PC or laptop, PC 1, laptop 1, PC 2, and laptop 2. And then connect with cable according to the type. This is fast Ethernet 0/0 to 0/1, 1/1 to fast Ethernet 0, 2/1 to 0, 0/0 to 0/1, 1/1 to 0, and 2/1 to 0. Okay, and then connected to two router in this one and this one, serial 2/1. Okay, after they connected, the second is give a IP node to make it easier for you to configure. Make in node. This is the IP for this is the IP for router 1, and this is the IP for router 2, and this one is IP for the network, and this one is IP for this network. Okay, the third is to IP addressing on the PC or laptop according to the nodes. Okay. Setting the IP. This configuration IP, and this network. The default gateway in this IP address. Name. This is same also. The address is this. The default gateway is the IP this. After this is where static routing is done. Go to the router, then to config, router, config, routing, static, and this is the static routes. The network is filled with the destination address, and mask is the net mask, and the next hop is filled with the gateway address to the destination address. Okay, this network destination is this one, from here to here. This is the network as destination. The next hop is the IP for gateway. and then edit it. Don't forget to setting for fast Ethernet 0/0 and the serial 0/0 is this network, and don't forget to on it. And the serial is here is the address for here. Don't forget to on it. The same for the other router. Config, routing, static. The network is here. And the next hop is the IP address gateway from here. And it. Don't forget the fast Ethernet one. Yes. This one. And serial is the IP from the gateway. Don't forget to on it. Okay. After setting everything, do a simulation with a message to check whether it is disconnected between network or not. I give example. If here from here to here, this is successful, right? Again from here to here, successful again. And here from here, successful. Here to here, successful, right? And this one to this one, successful, right? This one from this one, oh, finally successful, right? I can this one from this one, successful. This one from this one, successful. All right. So the network is to be connected from other network to the other network. That is how to do static routing on Cisco packet tracer. The next is exercise. Independent practice to improve understanding of static routing. The exercise is create a network with routing with the following device composition: 3 router, 3 switch, 9 PC or laptop, where every 3 PC is connected to one switch. Group them into the different network for each of the 3 PC or laptop, then connect until they can connect to each other using static routing. Next is thank you. Have a great time doing it. Bye.